A little belief, a little faith, a little hope is sometimes all we need to see the light. चार्ल्स एफ ग्लासमैन. बुक नेम देखने में छोटे लगे घाव करें गंभीर भाग एक. लिटिल थिंग्स मेक अ बिग डिफरेंस पार्ट वन. बुक इंट्रोडक्शन. Inspiring events from great people's lives get narrated in every nook and corner of the world to inspire the masses. We do realize reading them that the lives we are living today, the problems we are facing today are not new. People before us have already lived through them, fought and resolved through similar issues or problems. During the times of depression, disappointment, or grief, just reading a self help book or listening to a motivational speech that is mostly theory might not help much. But reading or listening to an incident from someone's life or experience would give us a new outlook altogether. Such references work as miraculous medicine and have the capacity to bring a person out of misery and despair. In fact, they are helpful in every age and walk of life and at times bring a revolutionary change in one's life. As per the grand transformation plan of the entire humanity and the creation of the new era, several books are being penned down. Excited to present one of them from the treasure trove here, which quotes great personalities and their inspiring life examples, along with learnings through short and sweet anecdotes. A book that has a huge potential to make a difference in our lives with the presented snippets. And because there is no dearth of such inspiring life stories, and writer has tried to compile as many of them as possible and relevant. This book runs into 4 volumes. Glad to present the first volume of the series here, written in a crisp format. Each tale will leave us with a different perspective. Read it, contemplate it, and let the learnings get deeper into the soul. Few excerpts from the book. First, this fearless, inquisitive child, an onlooker of truth, attained fame with the name of Sage Vivekanand. He summarized all religions in just few words. Fearlessness is true religion. Second, the difference between bandits and general public is that they are united, which is why they win. We are divided and unaware, and that's why we cannot fight them back. Third, bless the soil that gave birth to people like Bagha Jatin, who carried anger against injustice in his heart. Jatin was one of the strongest building block of the independence struggle. Fourth, people who want to attain success, love, hard work, not rest, diligence, not idleness. Fifth, many individuals are known to the public who sacrifice everything for social well being but never redeemed any benefit out of it. Few chapters from the book. First, fearlessness is the true religion. Second, unity is strength. Third, awakening of humanity. Fourth, anyone who tries attains success. And fifth, no faith is more important than social service.